Full prop.
Kissimmee ground, Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo, spot 1 with uniform, taxi to the active.
154 Echo Romeo, Kissimmee ground, taxi runway 33 via Bravo and Alpha, cross runway 24.
33 via Bravo Alpha, cross 24 for Echo Romeo. Hello, hello, welcome to another video from Kissimmee, Florida. IFR and a VFR day. It's been a few weeks since I've flown. I just wanted to go up and do a couple practice approaches, even though it's a VFR environment, just get some of the rust away. So I'm just going to let the cameras roll and pick up what it picks up. So hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when notifications, so you know when new ones are coming up. Kissimmee Tower, Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo, holding short 33.
154 Echo Romeo, Kissimmee Tower, hold short, runway 33 for release.
Holding short 33 for Echo Romeo.
154 Echo Romeo, turn left heading 270, clear for takeoff, departing Cessa, be touch and go to right traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 33, turning left 270 for Echo Romeo. Right, clear on the left, no one's on final.
Mike Alpha, continue on downwind, follow the Cherokee on downwind.
I see 33.
Follow the Cherokee,
33, here we go, full power. Good RPM.
280 Golf, right traffic, runway 33, clear for takeoff, departing Cherokee, IFR to the west.
Airspeed's live, engine gauges all on the green.
8 Golf, you copy, clear for takeoff, right traffic, departing Cherokee, IFR to the west.
8 Golf, copy, right traffic, clear for takeoff, runway 33.
8 Kilo, base turn approved, runway 33, clear touch and go.
Base turn approved, runway 33, clear touch and go, 86 Kilo.
Sir Mike Alpha, you got the Cherokee inside ahead?
Cherokee's inside it. 670 Mike Alpha.
Sir Mike Alpha, runway 33, clear touch and go.
Runway 33, clear for touch and go, 670 Mike Alpha.
Alright, let's keep climbing.
It's a 9 Sierra Golf, you number 3, following the Cessa head on downwind.
Looks good. Left turn 270.
That's a 7-4 uniform Sierra, Kissimmee Tower, hold short, correction, standby.
Oh, turn indicators in, so.
154 Echo Romeo, contact Orlando departure.
Over to Orlando for Echo Romeo. Orlando departure, Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo out of Kissimmee 1000, climbing 2000.
154 Echo Romeo, Orlando departure. Ready to contact, good morning. Say all of your approach requests.
We'll be looking for, if we could just do 2 RNAV runway 33 to Kissimmee, that would be great for Echo Romeo.
All right, number 4 Echo Romeo, you can expect that. Maintain 2000 and turn left heading 210, vector to final.
Turning left 210, vector to final, expecting runway 33 RNAVs for Echo Romeo.
Number 614 Mike, contact Sanford Tower on 120.3.
14 Mike, 20.3, thanks, have a good one.
Number 4 Echo Romeo, to climb out after completion of the approach, we'll be heading 270, maintain 2000, return to this frequency.
270 on the turnout, up to 2000, back to you for Echo Romeo.
Okay, Bucky 684.
Alright, we're above 1000, fuel pump is off, fuel pressure, level out, 2000.
Bucky 684, ready to contact 5 miles northwest of Sanford.
Alright, that checklist is complete, power set, lean. No, I'm already on the vectors to final. I'm going to leave it as is.
334, Sanford did not put you in for flight plan with Jack's approach. You looking to terminate now, or you want to talk to Jack's
flight
approach?
instruments check.
Check for the approach.
Level 2000, 210. We are level. Engine gauges all look good, all in the green. And
Number 154 Echo Romeo, proceed direct Yanma, join the final RNAV 33.
direct to Yanma, runway 33 for Echo Romeo.
Bucky 334, in that case, reset the transponder. It's 5504.
Booking 5504, Bucky 334.
Allegiant, let's see, 1342, flighting 260.
Heading 260, Allegiant 13.
Beautiful.
Approach Archer 8445 Alpha.
No traffic in front of me.
Level at 4,000. 500, and we'll get the ATC 535.
6,000 feet.
Right, are you familiar
Airport
with the
elevation 82. We've got local altimeter setting that doesn't apply. We've got all these dialed in. We have uniform. We're direct Yanma. Continue to Yanma, and we're going to maintain 2,000 feet. Can't go any lower than that till we get to AXMEB if we're cleared. When we receive that clearance, we can descend, and that'll be down to Lozhev. LPV is 332. The final approach fix is Lozhev.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, across Yanma 2000, cleared RNAV 33 approach.
Cross Yanma 2000, clear RNAV 33 for Romeo. I was going to do 3 approaches, but
70 for crossing traffic, descend to maintain 3,500.
Just for time, and the fact that I can't log it today, just do a couple of, and we'll terminate these by touch and goes. All right, we're going to turn left to 058. Standard rate turn, maintain 2,000. We cannot go below 2,000 until we've reached AXMEB. Standard rate, and 058.
Orlando approach number 639, Foxtrot Tango, checking in with you 3,000, climbing 4,500.
Go. 058. Little to the right. Maintain 2,000. We are about 4.5 miles from AXMEB. Be there in 3 minutes. That's all on. We are cleared, and I've got Kissimmee Tower dialed in. And we're going to get a turn right now, so let's dial that in, 333.
Number 71 Golf.
And we can begin our descent. We've reached
Kaiser, clear direct to Kaiser intersection. Kaiser heading 360. Need the spelling advice.
Okay, spelling, please, someone go.
Kilo, India, Zulu, Echo, Romeo.
Okay, direct Kaiser, then 360 out of Kaiser, 71 go.
Clear track 650, cleared RNAV runway 4, circle 31.
Clear RNAV 4, circle 31, clear track 650, and turning on to final approach now.
Thank you. Number 56 Foxtrot, there is traffic for you, 11 o'clock and 4 miles, turning northwestbound, the altitude to get 3,500 advised in sight.
Roger, we're looking at 525.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, contact Kissimmee Tower, 124.45, I'll talk to you in a second.
over to tower 4 Echo Romeo, see you in a second.
Number 9 Foxtrot Tango, flighting 280.
Flighting.
Runway 33 southwestbound with a left turnout.
Runway 33, clear for takeoff, no delay, left turn to the southwest approved. Bonanza 74, Uniform Sierra.
Cessna 0, Mike Alpha, go ahead and go around offset to the right.
Going around offset to the right, 0 Mike Alpha.
Kissimmee Tower, Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo, RNAV 33. 3 miles.
154 Echo Romeo, Kissimmee Tower, report the final approach fix.
Report Lozhev for Echo Romeo. It maintains
8 Sierra Golf, your number 2, you're following
1,700
left
feet.
base. Go ahead and turn base. Number 2, runway 33, clear to land.
Turn
on course,
looking for that traffic
holding
on
at
the left base,
1,700.
Clear to land, number 2.
It's a 95.
All looks good.
Number 3 on the Cessna, just extended down a little bit, turning base.
Gauges are on the green. We are on course. Glide slope has not quite come in, which is expected. 2 miles to Lozhev.
Just report your traffic to follow in sight, and I'll clear you to land.
Roger, we got the traffic off our 12. We'll be maintaining visual sub.
95 Golf, you're clear to land, runway 33.
It is busy at Kissimmee, and I've got the airport in sight.
Head on down when you be
Glide slope is just starting to show up. We'll be at Lozhev in
number 4.
mile and a half.
86 kilo, runway 33, clear, touch and go.
Runway 33, clear, touch and go, 86 kilo.
That's a 0 Mike Alpha, I'll call you base turn. You're following a PA-28 on the approach over the fix.
All looks good. Glide slope's starting to show up. We are definitely established. Still at 1700.
Romeo, currently your number 5, and I'll call you traffic when you get a little bit closer.
Okay, we're about a half mile from Loja, 4 Echo Romeo.
Sure.
Number 5.
Kissimmee Tower, this is 219 Sierra Golf, holding short, runway 33, ready for takeoff.
219 Sierra Golf, Kissimmee Tower, hold short, runway 33 is going to be
really busy this morning.
Holding short, runway 33, 219
Alright, there's
Sierra
our
Golf.
glide slope. Bring it down to 1700, flap in. I gotta keep my eyes out, so bring it to the left a little bit. A little bit more power.
Okay, 154 Echo Romeo, your traffic's going to be a Cherokee, still on down, about to turn base. You got about a 4-mile separation from him.
Okay, we'll keep our eyes open for the Cherokee 4 Echo Romeo.
8 to 6 kilo, you're inside of a Cherokee that's just about 3.5 mile final, almost 4 mile final.
Bring a little bit more power. Traffic in sight, 4 Echo Romeo.
4 Echo Romeo, roger, runway 33 cleared for the option.
Alright, clear for the option, 4 Echo Romeo. We are stable. I've got that traffic.
Sure, Mike Alpha, your traffic Cherokee is now about 3 mile final on the GPS approach.
670 Mike has the traffic tonight.
No, you got one on base, that's a Cherokee. You got following the second Cherokee that's behind that one, about 3 mile final. Continue on down, I'll call you base.
I'm going to maintain this.
My base, 670 Mike Alpha.
And I do have the traffic in sight. We are
154 Echo Romeo, do me a favor, go ahead and execute your missed approach at approach end of runway 33.
missed approach over 33, 4 Echo Romeo. 2000.
154 Echo Romeo, you can turn to your assigned climb out and contact Orlando departure. See you, thanks for your help.
Not a problem, we're on the climb out heading and we'll go over departure. See you in a bit, 4 Echo Romeo. Orlando departure Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo on the mist from Kissimmee.
Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo, Orlando, ident.
Ident 4 Echo Romeo.
Lucky 330, ready to contact, mile north of Apopka, proceed with the Jessup, indicating 2,800, confirm, information echo.
Information echo received, unconfirmed Jessup, Lucky 330, student solo.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, ready to contact, 1 mile west of Kissimmee, turn left at 180, vector RNF 33, full stop.
Vectors for final runway 33 RNAV, full stop, 4 Echo Romeo.
Lucky 330, contact Orlando approach on 135.3.
135.3, Lucky 330.
Approach Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo. If able, could we get vectors between AXMED and the final approach?
Yes, we can do that, number 4 Echo Romeo. Just direct the Alma for now, but expect a vector prior.
Okay, we'll wait to hear from you on that 4 Echo Romeo. Thanks. We'll leave the Alma in the GPS for now.
7 into executive for 56 bar.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, turn left heading 090.
090, 4 Echo Romeo.
Approach number 69 Fox.
And we're maintaining 2,000 until we are told otherwise.
Going to maintain 3,500.
Procedure, activate vectors to final. That turn in. Maintain 2,000 feet. Roll it out. Very nice. Very happy with that. 2,000, we're on the 090, basically our base. To our activate vectors to final.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, descend and maintain 1,700.
Descend 1.74 Echo Romeo. He's going to turn us anyway.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, turn left heading 360, intercept the final RNAV 33.
360, intercept RNAV 334 Echo Romeo. Alright, 36.
Clear track 6 is the traffic now 1 o'clock and about a mile, indicating 2,500 northbound.
Maintaining 1,700.
Underneath them now, no factor.
154 Echo Romeo, 4 miles from Loref, cleared RNAV 33 approach.
Clear RNAV 334 Echo Romeo. Hold at 1700. Glide slope is starting to show up. I'm going to just keep it right here.
Good morning, Stanford Tower, cat flight 824.
Cannot
raise
Google it.
runway 27 right.
Glide slope's there, localizer's coming in. Needles alive.
Check 650, additional traffic 1 o'clock and 2 miles maneuvering. The altitude gets 2,500 now.
Alright, we got them in sight as well. We'll maintain visual separation.
Alright, I've got the airport in sight. Kind of looks,
Roger. If you need to deviate, you may show 30 degrees left or right, but the traffic just appears almost stationary.
Calm down out there.
Roger, if we need left or right, that's 30 degrees. Looks like they're just heading straight south for crew check 650.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, contact Kissimmee Tower 124.45.
2445, thanks for the help today for Echo Romeo. Kissimmee Tower, Cherokee 154, Echo Romeo on the final RNAV 33.
154 Echo Romeo, Kissimmee ground, report the final approach fix, altitude 2995.
905, report the final approach fix for Echo Romeo. Glide slope's coming in, all looks good. Landing light fuel pump master mixture, okay. Belts. 1 mile until Lojev LPV.
516,
We've got GPS maintaining 1,700 on course.
Expect flight level 200, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.4, squawk 7334.
All looks good. Kissimmee Tower, Fort Romeo reporting Lojev.
Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo, runway 33 clear to land.
Clear to land for Echo Romeo. Tower 4 Echo Romeo, can we cancel IFR, do its touch and go and then one circuit?
Echo Romeo, runway 33, clear touch and go with right traffic on the go, squawk 1200.
Right traffic on the go, clear touch and go, and squawk VFR for Echo Romeo.